Confused about rounding to the right number of significant figures? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify the significant figures. In 0.0045060, the leading zeros don't count, but the 45060 does. That's 5 significant figures. Step 2. Apply the rounding rule. Round to the specified number of significant figures. For example, rounding 3.141592 to 4 significant figures gives 3.142. Now, let's apply what we've learned with a real example. Problem. Round 45.6789 meters per second to 3 significant figures. Step 1. Identify the first 3 significant figures. Step 2. Look at the next digit, the 7. Since it's 5 or greater, we round up. Final answer, 45.7 meters per second. Notice how we looked at the next digit to decide whether to round up or keep it the same. Bonus challenge. Try rounding 0.00986765 to 3 significant figures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science tips. See you next time.